apologize, but I'm Phil, and this is Drinking Geeks. And I'm finally getting around to something that I should have a long time ago because I asked friends what I should create cocktails for and, like, nerd related. And my friend Nick requested something for Lawnmower Man, which I've never seen, but I assume it has something to do with lawnmowers. I did watch the trailer and read a couple of summaries, and basically it sounds to me like Flowers for Algernon, but longer, cyberpunk, and much more violent. Interesting. So I've taken sort of the bare bones of another cocktail, stripped some parts away, added parts in, and my original plan was to use green creme de menthe like the original recipe calls for. But I have neither the time nor inclination to go out and get green creme de menthe, so I'm just going to use peppermint schnapps. There's a slightly lower sugar content, but that should be fine. Anyway, the drink starts with an ounce and a half of base of white rum. I'm using Plantation 3 Stars because it's got a nice funk to it without being too overwhelming. And then peppermint schnapps, or green creme de menthe. We're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of peppermint schnapps, half ounce of lime juice. And yes, I could use fresh stuff, but again, time and inclination are not there. I am at my heart extremely lazy, and anyone who says otherwise about me hasn't really met me, have they? And then half ounce of simple syrup. Oh, and this jar always does this to me. I can't get a grip on it. Oh, that'd be worse. Come on. There we go. There we go. Half ounce simple syrup. And then, because it's supposed to be green, I'm cheating on color and using food dye. I'll go chartreuse, because that seems like a good one. I'll just add two drops. That should make it nice, rich green color, because this is reasonably potent dye. Alright. Then we want to shake it. Oh, come on. There we go. Doesn't take a whole lot to chill it, which is what you really want. You want to mix it and chill it. And then strain it into a rocks glass over ice. I don't think that's exactly the color I was aiming for, but it looks good. It's a nice sort of grass green color. Smells, I mean, I can't actually smell it. It doesn't have a very potent smell. Some mintiness, some citrus, a little bit of funk from the rum. Oh, weird. A little bit heavy on the peppermint schnapps. but it's still quite good. Just very, very peppery. Like sort of not in a like spicy way, but in sort of like a the way bell peppers taste. And the mint really clings to the mouth. And it really overpowers everything else. Um, I'm not surprised that it overwhelms the funk of the rum. It's not a really funky rum, but it's got some Jamaican rum in the blend that lends it that nice classic Jamaican rum flavor. The citrus pops on the back of the palate and into the finish. I like this. I think this turned out really well. So thank you, Nick, for giving me this idea. If you want to request a cocktail, or you have an idea, or a movie or media uh, uh, subject that you'd like to see me do a cocktail for, it's really easy. All you've got to do is join my Patreon. It's $1 a month. It gets you the ability to do exactly that, as well as vote for what I review on Wednesdays. It gets you Patreon exclusive content. It gets you all of the content that I make early. And you get access to the Drinking Geeks Discord server, where you can hang out with myself and members of my local whiskey club, where we talk about whiskey, cocktails, D&D, and whatever else comes up. Yeah, it's $1 a month. It's not a lot, but it would really help me continue to grow the channel, continue to create content for you that is enjoyable, and potentially raise the quality of my videos. If you would like to support me, but you aren't a fan of Patreon, or you would prefer a one-time contribution, I have a Ko-fi. There's a link in the description down below. I also am selling these adorable That's the Spirit pot still stickers, designed by my friend Alyssa at Abercat Studio. They're up for sale on Etsy. There's a link in the description down below. They're $3 a piece. They ship for free. And there's a link to Redbubble, where I have other stuff for sale. There's a big yellow roundel logo that I designed, and a pot still logo that I did. More of a challenge to see if I could than anything else, but it turned out well enough that I feel comfortable putting it on shirts and stickers and stuff. And coming up, there is a tour later, virtual tour hosted on the Whiskey Lodge Discord server of the Clear Creek Distillery by their master distiller. And they're doing it while they distill a run of their award-winning McCarthy's Oregon Single Malt, which is heavily peated, which is interesting. And details will be more forthcoming when I have them closer to the time of the event. And to take part, all you've got to do is click the Discord link in the description down below. It will take you right to the Whiskey Lodge Discord server, where I am, full disclosure, moderator. I believe that is everything. So until next time, stay happy, stay geeks, sláinte. Also, when we read Flowers for Algernon in high school, there was a kid in my class who was convinced that it actually happened. That through some combination of surgery and medication, they managed to take someone and increase their intelligence, but it killed them. So yeah, that's kind of a fun extra bit.